Here's another Robby type kit. Again, it's a Bandai. Rock'n Robo. Definitely you can see how it's taken off on the Robby kind of a look. And then the kit it's got the motor and gearbox and electrical parts, and then you've got all of the plastic parts and even decals. What do we got here? Here we have the dome and some more electrical parts, it looks like. And obviously I haven't put this one together. May have to one of these days. It does have electronic circuitry, so that means it's going to do something. You'd have to see one put together to tell you exactly what. Let's just thumb through this here, see what we can surmise by looking through it quickly. Got some fold-out pages on the instructions. Quite involved. Looks like it's a light censored thing. You set the sensitivity, and here they show a hand getting near it. So whatever functions it has apparently are controlled with a light sensor, which must be on this circuit board. Yep, I see the photo sensor, the white thing there. We're looking at the back side of it, and the motor and the gears. Not sure that I've ever seen one of these work. I guess if I had, I would I'd be able to tell you exactly what it does. We may have to do some searching on YouTube and see if we can see one of these working. Tektron Sensor Robo Junior #1. Rock'n Robo. Another kit to be built.